I'm going to take you through a really quick walkthrough of Google Classroom. So if you are in your Google Chrome tab, if you open it up, after we use Google Classroom for a while, you will find it pop up in your suggested applications underneath the Google search. However, there's another way to get to Google Classroom. You can navigate up to your waffle in the upper right hand corner by your photo. Click on the waffle, and then it should be in your top 12 applications. Click on Classroom, and it should pop you open right up to where you see a bunch of different classes. I'm the teacher, so my view looks a little different. You're going to want to make sure that you have all of your classes in your Google Classroom. In order to do that, you need to make sure that you accept all of your classes in the bottom right-hand corner of each box. If you press decline, you will not be able to have access to this classroom and we'll have to get you in another way. So make sure you press accept. Another thing you can do with these is if you find that your classes are out of order, you just click on the class and you can drag it into the order that makes most sense for you. You can navigate it by your Monday classes and then your Tuesday classes. Click on your class. For us, it will say what class period is, the name of our class, and it has our Meet link that we'll be using on a daily basis to have our synchronous class meetings. In Google Classroom, you will also see our upcoming assignments. Nothing is due right now because we're just starting the year. You will also see any of the posts that I post to the classroom. It will have helpful links, and you can also make comments on the Google Classroom as another way to communicate with me. Just a heads up, any comment posted can be viewed by your whole class. So that's the Stream tab. You will not be able to share something with the class as a new post because you do not have rights to that, but you can make a comment. The next tab is going to be Classwork. Here you will find our classwork. It will be organized and clear for you to read. We don't have any classwork due yet because we're just starting the year. You will also find the link to our meetings, our Google Calendar for the class, as well as our class drive folder. This class drive folder automatically makes a copy of every assignment for you so that you don't have to go searching through your drive just like you had in Echo. This is much easier to navigate. The next tab is going to be People. You can see our classmates and you can see that our parents have been invited. And our final column, once we start grading assignments, is Grades. This is where you will have access to all of your grades and your parents can view it as well. Your parents are your guardians. If you have any questions, you can email me or add any comments to the stream.